Welcome to this week's edition of Neuroscience Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. The US FDA has approved CT-132, the first digital therapy designed to prevent episodic migraine, developed by Click Therapeutics. This mobile-based solution demonstrated a reduction in monthly migraine days even when used alongside standard medications. It is intended as an adjunctive treatment for patients already on preventive migraine therapies. In Canada, ELYXYB, an oral celecoxib solution, has received approval for acute migraine treatment. Already approved by the FDA, this fast-acting therapy delivers relief within 15 minutes and is especially suitable for patients who do not respond to triptans, filling a major gap in current treatment options. BioState AI has partnered with the Accelerated Cure Project to develop artificial intelligence models that predict the course of multiple sclerosis. Using RNA sequencing data and one of the world's largest MS biorepositories, these tools aim to personalize treatment decisions and anticipate individual therapy responses. Octave's MSDA biomarker test, a blood-based diagnostic, is enhancing the precision of MS care. The test influenced clinical decisions in nearly 60% of cases and led to treatment modifications in 1 in 5 patients. It has been validated across academic, community, and regional care settings. The UK's National Institute for Health and Care Excellence has recommended cladribine as a new treatment option for MS. Administered in 2 annual courses, cladribine is suitable for patients considering pregnancy. Clinical trials support its efficacy in reducing relapses and slowing disability progression. In Alzheimer's disease, the European Union has approved LEQEMBI, or lecanemab, making it the first drug in the region to target disease progression rather than symptoms. The approval spans all EU member states, along with Iceland, Liechtenstein, and Norway, and is limited to early-stage Alzheimer's patients. The FDA has granted breakthrough therapy designation to AMT-130, a gene therapy for Huntington's disease. Early-phase trials show it slows disease progression. AMT-130 also holds RMAT, orphan drug, and fast-track designations, underscoring the urgency and innovation in this therapeutic area. In Japan, an induced pluripotent stem cell, or iPS cell, trial for Parkinson's disease has shown promising results. Nerve cells derived from iPS cells were safely transplanted into patients, with 4 out of 6 showing symptom improvement after 2 years. No major safety concerns were reported. The FDA has authorized Phase 1 trials for Zelsmart's iPSC-based therapies aimed at Parkinson's and amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. These off-the-shelf, neural cell therapies also received regulatory clearance in China, signaling a global trajectory for the platform. Blue Rock Therapeutics reports sustained benefits in its Parkinson's cell therapy program. 18-month data show no serious adverse events and confirm neural engraftment through PET imaging. A Phase 3 trial is scheduled for the first half of 2025. The FDA has expanded approval of Valtoco, a diazepam nasal spray, to children aged 2 to 5 with seizure clusters. Offering a more convenient alternative to rectal gels, this therapy is supported by pediatric safety data and benefits from orphan drug exclusivity. New international guidelines for treating neuropathic pain have been released. Pregabalin, duloxetine, and amitriptyline are now recommended as first-line therapies. Capsaicin and lidocaine patches are suggested for second-line use. The guidelines do not currently support cannabis-based products due to insufficient evidence. Sangamo Therapeutics and Eli Lilly have entered a gene therapy partnership worth up to $1.4 billion. The agreement centers on Sangamo's brain-penetrating STAC-BBB capsid and includes an $18 million upfront payment, with additional milestones and royalties. The collaboration aims to accelerate genomic medicine development for neurological diseases. Finally, NeuroScientific Biopharmaceuticals has acquired isopogen to expand its pipeline in stem cell-based neurotherapies. The addition of mesenchymal stromal cell technology will support development for difficult neuroinflammatory and immune disorders. Planned clinical trials include indications such as Crohn's disease, kidney transplant rejection, and graft versus host disease. Stay ahead in neuroscience research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit www.elqventures.com or email us at info@elqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting.